So Diffuse, just quickly, is a base layer platform access to blockchain data. Okay, so level one, I'm talking about blocks, transactions, state changes, balance changes, the sort of data at that level. It's not about the specifics of a single smart contract. It's base layer infrastructure. So we allow people to query, to search history, to listen on what's happening. And the Diffuse platform has better depth of data than nodes themselves, because nodes expose APIs that are meaningful for achieving consensus, right? So there's a certain level of data that's available there, but Diffuse brings you a lot more depth, for example, by indexing and giving you access to all the internal transactions. I don't know if that's something you guys are aware of. When you send a transaction to Ethereum, you have the first top level transaction, but that one, when it executes a smart contract, just like function calls, can call other smart contracts, and we call these things internal transactions. And these internal transactions can have millions of dollars being transferred, and there's very useful data there. So Diffuse wanted to index and make available, search and queryable, and all that important data. Also, we have a lot more depth regarding balance changes, at which level, the reasons for balance change, the call stack, and all of that.